Hello, yeah. So today I'm going to be talking a little bit about getting past jealousy and insecurity when you are dating because dating can be competitive because it's multiple options involved for either party or both parties. So, when I don't typically get jealous. Um it just doesn't really happen for me because I honestly believe that everything that's for me is for me. I don't even really like to use the word because I feel like anything that's for me and will come to me, and anything that I have that somebody may be jealous of is easily attainable if they put in the work, or or believe in themselves, so I don't really use the word jealousy. I've never really even felt quite comfortable with the word like jealousy and envy because it just doesn't come from a healthy place all the time, so um I think the best way to get past that is honestly knowing that you're the best. And like I said before, everything that's for you will be for you. Everything that's in your path that's supposed to work out for you is already on your path, whether you like it or not. I really believe that my life and your life is of perfect design. Everything that I feel like has happened up until now, I feel like it was perfectly designed. All breakups, getting rid of friends, separating myself, moving here, then from LA to back, and then everywhere, like everything was of perfect design and has worked out so amazingly well for me that I don't really truly have any fears about where I'm going and who I'm talking to or who I'm dating, because I know that if they're not supposed to be there, then life will remove them, and if that takes another person to remove them, then that's the best thing for me because I already know that my life is already on a great track and only elevating me higher naturally, so that's what I remember when I ever feel like I could be lacking or anything like that. And I think that's what you guys should remember too, is like you are your power, your personal power, your sex appeal, your feminine energy, whatever that is. All of that is really just being you. That is your power. That is your magic right there. Because even though you may have like 1,000 people that look like you with the same name and everything, they're not gonna have the same swagger, baby. They're not gonna have the same personality. They're not gonna have like the same everything. They're not going to have the same even birthmarks. Like that is your power, and that's what makes you sexy. I feel like so many people ask me about sex appeal too because of jealousy and because of envy and because they think they need to be a certain way to be sexy. And the thing is, your sexiness is who you are. That's what's sexy, and being comfortable in that. That's what's attractive because that's what's going to make people want to be around you and gravitate towards you. And that's what's alluring. And that's whether you're working in business, that's whether you're working in art or like photography or model or something, social media, or you're just dating. It's that natural way of being. It's not forced. Like a lot of people try to force it with being too aggressive or trying to be too sexy, and that messes up a lot of people's game. You don't have to. Just relax, be natural, because your thing is your thing is your sexiness is you. That's what is like powerful. And it doesn't matter for real what you look like, as long as you look good in what you look like. It's really just that aura of being you or being around somebody that's so comfortably them, that is really really sexy. That's why you'll see a lot of older people, like really really old or like scruffy, that'll still be like the sexiest people you've ever known, because they've come to a point with themselves that it's like they're so comfortable with who they are. It's just like so sweet, and that's alluring. That's what you have to focus on. Your lure is who you are and being comfortable with that. So get comfortable with who you are so you don't have to be jealous, so you can be sexy, and so look, I'm a winner. I'm a boss. So if you can either get with a boss or take a loss. Like, it's simple as that. Like, if they want to take a loss, let them take that loss, because you already on a great track. And the next thing that comes for you is going to be even better. So that is how I feel about jealousy and envy and sex appeal and all of that. Like, it's all about you. You got it. You got it. You got it, baby. All right. Talk to you later.